Tesla Drive Canada is reporting that the Canadian government is putting over $84 million into expanding the country's electric vehicle charging infrastructure. The funding will support 122 separate projects and add more than 8,000 new public charging ports across Canada. Most of these will likely be Level 2 chargers, based on the budget, about $10,500 per port, which is far below the cost of installing faster DC chargers that can run up to $300,000 each. The chargers will primarily be installed in everyday locations like apartment buildings, workplaces, hotels, and public lots, where cars are parked for extended periods. This move adds to Canada's current network of over 33,000 public chargers and aligns with the government's broader $1.5 billion plan to support charging infrastructure and hydrogen fueling. In addition to charging upgrades, Ottawa also announced $5.7 million for clean freight transport projects and $7.2 million for electric vehicle education programs, including some led by Indigenous organizations. A national charging strategy is also expected later this year to help guide future deployment and encourage private investment. You are listening to Yuan News.